Douchy Homes is a full-service real estate company that provides all services to rent out, sell or buy a property hassle-free. We offer rental property management for vacation rentals, long-term rentals, maintenance and cleaning service. Our well-trained staff takes care of your customers as well as your property. As a homeowner, you're being faced with several challenges like: how do I find the best tenant? How can I be sure my property is well maintained? What if a tenant does not pay his or her rent? When and how do I know my property needs maintenance? Who takes care for damage and questions from the tenants? And what are the legal rights of the homeowner and tenant?
I was looking for somebody who would be available 24 hours, have a quick response, be on it, because I could not do that. I was busy with my own business, and I also always think that everybody has his business. I do my business and they do their business. Well, I'm happy. It is going well, and I think we can continue doing it like this.
Douchy Homes offers solutions to homeowners to take care of the entire rental and selling process. We have a daily updated website that generates exposure and inquiries on a local and international level. Screening and selection procedures are in place to get you the best buyer or tenant. Through our property management system, we are able to keep your property in a good condition. We have in-house maintenance and cleaning staff to make sure issues are being solved within a reasonable amount of time. And we also provide frequently property inspections and reports for the homeowners. Our sophisticated rental software will keep you updated 24/7. With your homeowner login, you will have access to revenue, occupancy and all other important information regarding your property. If you're interested in more information regarding our services, please go to our website at douchyhomes.com or visit our office at Vinik Plaza, Santa Rosaweg.